Welcome again to Rough Diamond Recipes. Today's recipe is lamb koftas. As normal, a full list of ingredients can be found in the description box below. Must be said there are numerous variations on this theme, but it just happens to be the ones that we like. Firstly, let's slice up the parsley and onions. When chopping these, don't make it too fine, but then again you don't want big lumps of parsley and onion in your mix. Next we squeeze in the lemon juice, then we add the tahini, coriander powder, cumin powder, chilli powder and salt, before we add the star of the show, the minced lamb. When this is all in the bowl, use your hands and thoroughly mix together. When this is done, break golf ball sized pieces of the mixture off, roll into balls and reserve until you're ready to cook. And when you are ready to cook, it's simply off to a preheated, pre-oiled griddle pan. At this point I'm not quite sure, but I like to give the koftas a little bit of a squeeze down to flatten them out a bit. And when the koftas are thoroughly cooked through, serve. Hope you enjoyed this recipe. Feel free to subscribe, share and like, and hopefully we'll see you soon again sometime. Bye for now.